Hello everybody, welcome to another video. We start this one off looking at this Argos van in front of me. Now I've been behind this van for about 3-4 miles now, and not once has it moved out of the outside lane on the A217, which I find really weird that when I do want him to go into the outside lane here, he doesn't. What does he think that lane is for? Now we come to a regular complaint on this channel by me. You'll hear my indicator go on in a second because I'm turning right, and as you can see by the sign there, you can turn right or go straight on. But if someone's turning right, why would you get behind them if you were going straight on? And again, I have to stress that you can do it. There's nothing saying that you can't do that. You can't get behind me if you're going straight on. But it shows a massive lack of common sense. It really does. This car behind me here, he gets it. He moves over because he's going straight on. He moves over. The car behind it doesn't. And guess what it is? It's a driving instructor showing no common sense whatsoever. Are you actually teaching this to your students? The thing is, he does get away with it because me and the car in front are able to turn right. So he got lucky, basically. He just got lucky. He doesn't ever try to push into the inside lane, so I've got to give him credit for that. But as we look at the traffic lights here, they've gone amber and now they've gone red. Look at that white car by the traffic lights. It just goes straight through it. So a lot of numpties around Chessington area. So from Chessington, we're off to Epsom. We're coming into Epsom High Street here. I'm turning right. You'll see that I've got a red light. I will highlight the lights that I want you to look at in a minute. But first of all, we come to this Cyclist. Now that's not a bike lane. That's just a twat on a bike on the pavement. Should be a £50 fine if there was any police on the street to actually hand these things out of, obviously. Now I've got a red light because I'm on a filter light turning right. Going straight on is still a green light, as you can see from cars passing me on the left. This numpty of a pedestrian though, what are these people looking out for when they cross the road? Obviously not a red man. Now it's petrol head time. Don't see many of these about. But I saw two in one day in completely different areas. That was the first one, and here comes the second one. Not that van, the next one. There must have been some sort of show on, I guess. Now we're in Barnes for this one, and we're looking at the numpty on the bike, behind the car behind me. It's a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit, but the speed isn't the issue here. It's the stupidity of this man, who's old enough to know better. He's overtaking as we're coming up to a mini roundabout. Guess where he wants to go? Oh, for fuck's sake. What a brilliant cyclist that is. We're still in Barnes, and yes, some more cyclists that don't seem to know what red lights are. Well, they know what they are, they just don't care what they are. As you can see, everyone's got a red light, except one person. Yeah, him. So we'll speed it up here now because we get to see another one go through a red light and actually makes people wait for him while he goes through a red light. There he is there. He's got a red light now at the moment. Them cars that are turning right, see him put his hand up to apologise, to tell him to wait while he goes through a red light. Ugh. You couldn't make this shit up. Further down the road, this is the same cyclist that just went through the last red light. Oh, look what's up in front of him. Another red light. But it doesn't matter to him. When did it become just so acceptable that they're allowed to do this shit? He is allowed to turn right here because it's cyclists and buses are allowed to turn right here, but he's not allowed to go through the red light. But it don't stop him, does it? Now in this clip, I'm going to be going into lane 2. But I have to wait because some idiot is deciding to overtake the bus as I'm about to do it. There is no bus stop there, by the way. He's just overtaking a bus on a single lane. Down to me to get out of your way, is it? Didn't do it justice from the front camera, but it does from the rear, I think. Makes it look a lot more dangerous. That's down to me to get out of your way, is it? Now, if you work for Mercedes, you've got to drive like a Mercedes driver. Watch how it mounts the pavement getting round this bend here, like it didn't have enough room. Now in this clip, it's just basic manners again. There's a car that's parked facing traffic on the other side of the road, right at the very end of this queue here on the right hand side. It wants to come out, I let it out, and it's as though I'm not even there. There is no thank you, no nothing, no acknowledgement, nothing. It makes you not want to let them out anymore. No. But it's obviously a bad driver as I'm following it down this road here. There is a right turn only lane there. Both cars don't seem to know what it's for though. There's a lane for you to get into right there. Now moving on from there, literally just down the road. Now there's a bus stop over there to the right hand side that is closed because of the roadworks right in front of us. But the bus that's coming towards us stops anyway to let a couple of elderly people out. I'm holding back here, I don't want to block the junction up. Now 2 people get out of this bus and they go behind the bus and they cross behind the bus without looking. And guess what's coming? Yeah, one of them things. It does really well to miss them actually. It says it's not even open. I mean, how close was that? Now keep an eye on them 2 old fuckers because they've just had a near miss and they walked straight out into this road without looking. Unbelievable. Now in this clip, obviously we're looking at the Audi. They just cannot help themselves, can they? Hear my indicator? You can't hear the Audi's indicator, but you can't see it neither. They just cannot help themselves, can they? Always an Audi. In this clip, we're on the Mad Mile. We're approaching a roundabout. There are quite a few signs saying that left-hand lane is a left turn only lane. Not enough apparently for a professional driver though. See the little yellow sticker in the top left hand of the windscreen there? Oh dear. Professional driver. We're on the Mad Mile going the opposite direction now. It's a 60 mile an hour speed limit. How fast do you think this little shit is going? Some undertaking as well. He's obviously in a bit of a rush. So we've speeded it up here. No, I haven't put my foot down to try and catch him up. I am fast forwarding. And as we come up to the lights, guess who's waiting at the traffic lights? Yep, there he is, right over there, the little shit. Got him a long way, didn't it? Good bit of driving that, mate. That was not the right thing. Now it's another petrol head moment for you. We're looking over there where the arrow was. There's a few of them that's coming down the road. I wasn't quite quick enough to get round the bend though to give you a better angle, unfortunately. I wonder where they're all popping off to. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.